What's up, friends, and welcome back to my channel. About a year ago, I reviewed the original Tam massage gun. It was clunky, loud, and expensive. Since then, the landscape has shifted in a big way. There are now hundreds of massage guns on the market right now, sleeker, smaller, and way more affordable. And as it turns out, you can definitely get some really good deals out there, but at the end of the day, you are gonna get what you pay for. So in this video, I'll be sharing my investigation into the massage gun explosion and share with you my experience with two massage guns that cost less than $100 each. But first, if you're new here, welcome. My mission is to help you achieve success without sacrificing your health or happiness. I do product reviews weekly, so if you're into this, click that subscribe button and join the Type A tribe. So full disclosure, about a half dozen massage companies reached out to me in the past month or two asking me to review their devices. It was kind of overwhelming, and I really debated making this video altogether because my goal is not to just give free publicity or to help their marketing efforts. But then it hit me. Why were all these companies reaching out to me? Something seemed a little fishy. I mean, I am not a fitness influencer. I did one video on a massage gun like a year ago. I have not had this happen before, well, except for the CBD industry, but that is a story for another day. So I started to look into it a bit further. And in researching the massage gun industry, I started to find dozens upon dozens of companies all using the same style and construction for their mini massage guns. And the only real difference being the logo on the product. And it's true that most of these cheaper massage guns that you find online are manufactured overseas and then repackaged and resold in the US. Now, obviously, this is nothing special to the massage gun industry. There are countless drop shipping style manufacturers who, instead of selling direct to market, sell their products wholesale to companies who then take on the branding, marketing, and customer support efforts. I mean, just search electric bikes or outlet timers on Amazon and you'll see the same thing going on. And of course, there's nothing wrong with this. Just make sure you're not fooled into thinking that this company has invented some new cutting edge device. But out of curiosity mixed with a little bit of investigative journalism, I agreed to try two of the mini massage guns, one by RecoverFun and the other by the company Nacot. And since I am not endorsing either of these products, I have no problem sharing with you the good and the bad. So let's start with the basic pros: size and price. So both of these massagers weigh about a pound, and they're actually smaller in height than my iPhone 11, which makes them super easy to travel with. They're also super cheap, only $79 for the RecoverFun and just $99 for the Nacot Mini. Another plus side is the lack of wires. So both of them use lithium batteries and come equipped with USB chargers, which seems to be the new trend these days. The RecoverFun says it gets 5 hours of battery, whereas the Nacot Mini says it gets 16 hours, and I haven't put it to the test to actually see minute by minute if that's true. All I know is that I've tried them a bunch of times and never felt the need to recharge, so that was good enough for me. Now, I've only had these devices for a little over a month, so I can't speak to the longevity of the battery. Will it actually last you a full year? Or the better question, will the company you bought it from still be around in a year? And that seems to be my big concern about all of these massage pop-ups. They're here today, gone tomorrow, and so goes your warranty. For instance, I bought this cheap Wooby Fine massage gun on Amazon back in August. When I went back to look at the product just a couple of days ago, it completely disappeared from the Amazon marketplace. Had I bought a warranty with it, would Amazon still honor it or make me hunt down the original manufacturer to try to get my money back? It's hard to say, but it does go to show the fleeting nature of this fad. And so I guess my point is, a lot of these cheaper massage guns are maybe not built to last, but they might get the job done. And that's fine. But if you are looking for something that is more long-lasting and durable, you're probably better off going with a reputable company that's been around for more than a trimester. Okay, back to the mechanics now. Now, the one thing I do prefer about the RecoverFun model is the auto shut-off mode. And if you do plan to travel with these, I would definitely say that might be a factor to consider when making your purchase. And another pro to these mini massage guns is noise reduction. As I mentioned before, the first generation of portable massage guns literally sounded like a jackhammer going off. But these new massage guns are super quiet and built with new motors that get up to about 48 decibels. And for comparison, an electric toothbrush is around 60 decibels, so technically these massage guns are more quiet than your Oral-B. So now let's turn to amplitude, or how deep a massage you're actually gonna get from one of these massage guns. So for the most part, the amplitude range is gonna be somewhere around 6 millimeters for your standard mini massage gun. And this includes the RecoverFun, the Nacot Mini, and even NordicTrac's $99 version. And in my opinion, it gets the job done if you're just looking for some basic relaxation and maybe temporary relief of some muscle tension. But if you are looking for a more heavy-duty recovery tool with a higher amplitude capacity, this is where you start to see a shift in price. On the higher end, you'll pay $500 for the Tam Pro Massager that gets the amplitude up to 32 millimeters and has a pretty high stroke capacity. Now the $600 Theragun model only penetrates 16 millimeters, but it comes with an adjustable arm and a ton of other features, including its own proprietary app. Not to mention, it's pretty much considered the Dyson of the massage gun industry, endorsed by celebrities and boutique fitness studios all across the globe. But is $600 really worth it, given all of these knockoffs you can find on Amazon that pretty much have the same features for a fraction of the price? And so this got me thinking. The polarization of the massage gun industry is really similar to what we've seen in the handbag and even the fitness studio industry in the past few years. Theragun charges more because they can. Yes, of course, they make a damn good device, but that price tag also comes with years of building up brand loyalty. I mean, you can get that same elliptical workout from Crunch Fitness that you can get from Equinox. And whether it's Prada or Kohl's, that handbag is still gonna hold all your things. Yes, you are paying a premium for higher quality and everything that comes along with it, including probably a longer warranty and maybe even better customer service support. But at the end of the day, it's still just a battery-powered device. There's no special bacteria strain or algorithm powering these things. It's a piece of metal you hold in your hand with some slight variations from model to model. Now, I say this with a huge caveat, and that caveat is this. As a consumer, I really don't think you have to break the bank to get a good quality massage gun these days. And in fact, some of these $100 massage guns can fit the bill if you're looking for just a little bit of extra relaxation without having to go get a full spa treatment. But I do urge you guys to do your research and read the fine print. And at the very least, if you don't want to go through the whole hassle of reading tons of customer reviews, at least check the return policy. In my opinion, if a company in 2020 doesn't at least offer you a 30-day money-back guarantee, then I question how much they actually believe in their product. For instance, and sorry to call them out here, but Nacot says their return policy is 30 days. But if you read the fine print, it says, to be eligible for a return, your item must be unused and in the same condition that you received it. Oh, and P.S., their return address is in China. So at this point, I'm guessing I probably won't be getting any more free massage guns sent my way. And that's okay. That wasn't the point. The point is that as a consumer and as a viewer of this channel, you deserve to know that even though all these massage guns might look the same, not every company acts with the same level of integrity. So I urge you, as a conscious consumer, especially this holiday season, just to maybe think a little bit differently about where the value of your dollar is going. Is it going to a company that's just part of the bandwagon right now, or to a more integral company that is actually moving the industry forward through research and education? So Thank you guys so much for watching and listening. I know I got a little heavy at the end, but that is just kind of how I'm feeling about the state of this industry right now. And I think it's just an important thing that a lot of people aren't talking about. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button and click that notification bell and then select all so you get notified each week when I drop a new video. And until then, I can't wait to catch you on the next one.